Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2013 Freightliner we have for sale. It's a crew cab truck. It's got a 6.7 Cummins diesel, automatic transmission. It's got 176,000 miles on it. It's got a Lincoln Ranger welder on it, a Honda air compressor, and it's got a pretty good size diesel fuel tank on the back. We did a pretty good bit of work to this truck when it came in. We bought it locally from some loggers, and the check engine light was on. We ended up doing an EGR cooler, EGR valve, DEF module, cleaned the EGR system. I'm trying to think. I think maybe that was it. That may have been about it. But the truck runs out and drives good now. Let's walk around and take a look at it. It's a 25.5 GVWR, so no CDL required on it, but it is an air brake truck. It's got a little bit of a crack in it right there at the top. Vice mounted on the back. This door's got a pretty decent sized dent in it there. It still opens and closes like it should, but it does have a dent. Got a drawer set here. That's American Eagle drawer set. Fiberglass crack right there. She's out of fuel. This thing does run. It's been sitting for a little while we've been working on the truck. Obviously this is a 11-year-old work truck. It's got 180,000 miles on it. It has normal wear and tear that you would expect out of a truck like that, especially one that's been used in a logging company. We repainted the whole bed on this particular truck. The paint was flaking off of it. It's not a professional job by any account of the word, but it looks better than the paint flaking off. And the roof had a lot of paint flaking off of it, which these trucks are pretty known for. We did repaint that as well. It's not professional again, but it's better than bare metal. So, just don't expect a brand new truck and you'll be happy. If you're interested in having this truck shipped, we can ship it straight to you. Probably be looking around $2 a mile to have this truck shipped to you. If you decide to go that route, just know that we're a dispatcher. So what we'll do is post it on our dispatch board, and we'll wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck in Alabama going to Washington or California or Mississippi, wherever you're at, we want to take it for you. I don't have someone just sitting here at the ready to leave out as soon as you pay for it. Normally, you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. The radio works. I don't know about this radio. I can't tell you an exact second someone's going to pull up in my shop and pick it up, and the exact second they're going to pull up in your driveway. And if you got to know that, the best thing to do is to come pick it up yourself in person, which you're obviously welcome to do. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 4. We're not open on the weekends. And if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. I can't take a check on your name or your business name. It has to be a certified bank check. So please don't show up with a regular check. Won't be able to see the truck. Again, it's a 13 Freightliner crew cab. It's got a 12-foot body on it, built by what was this thing built by? Palfinger. It's got a little Lincoln Welder and a Honda air compressor, a fuel tank, 176,000 miles. I think we've spent about $5,000 on it, just in mechanical repairs, doing the basic stuff that normally happens to these trucks: EGR coolers, EGR valves, EGR cleaning, DEF stuff. So should be ready to go for a while under CDL. So if you're interested, give me a call. Thanks for watching. 256-310-6852. You can call or text.